What's up, everybody? Josh here. This is going to be a different type of video today. I'm actually heading out to a pre-drywall meeting with one of my out-of-state clients in Mirada. So I'm just now pulling into Mirada. I know I've done several videos in this community before, but I figured while I was out here, I would just do a video for affordable new construction. There are a couple floor plans by two different builders that are in Mirada that you can get into right now for under $400,000. There's one that's under $350,000. So I figured while I was out here, I would come just drive by, show you a little bit of the community, drive by those floor plans because they're not completed yet. So I'm probably not going to be able to go in and show you like I normally do, but at least I'll be able to drive around, show you a little bit of the area, show you the ones that are there. And since it is 7:30 a.m. right now, the models aren't open yet. They don't open until 10. So I'll see if I can go buy a model later today to at least get you the floor plan. If not, later on in the video, I'll just do a screen share and kind of show you what the different models are. There are from Lennar. They have a Annapolis model. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1448 square feet, 339,900 is where those start. All right, so to the left right now, we are passing the actual lagoon itself. You're not gonna be able to see it in this video. I have done a video where I took my drone up over it, so you can see that on the channel. To the right was like the first phase. You had some DR Horton stuff over there, a builder called Mirada, not to be confused with the community Mirada. Up here to the right, you're gonna run into some Lennar active adult, 55 plus section. And then up here, I'll show you in a minute. Check out that sunset. I know it's kind of washing out, or sunrise, wow, not sunset. See, it's way too early. I still need my coffee. But up here, we're getting into phase 2. And I'm going to end up being over in the Homes by West Bay section. That's where my client's building a house right now. And we are going to do the pre-drywall inspection. So if you are building a home and you have the opportunity to do an inspection and pre-drywall, I definitely recommend that. Some of these builders like the Lennar and the DR Horton, a lot of times since they're inventory homes, they're already going to be past drywall and you're not going to be able to do a pre-drywall inspection. So make sure you get a home inspection before you close on it. Whether that's you're using me as your agent or not, I highly recommend that. All right, so we're going to go left real quick. If you go right here, that'll go over to the townhomes that Lennar's building. And also it'll connect to Epperson, which is the first lagoon community out here in Wesley Chapel. It's grown so much that that's their new north phase in Epperson. But over here, this is going to be where the Lennar model home is. Actually, I think they may have more than one model over here. But all this area is being built out. And, like I said, they're in phase 2 right now. And it's just going to keep being built for probably a few more years. But let's go over here, show you this real quick, and then I'll head back over to where these actual houses are probably going to be at. So as you see here, on the left right here, you have the Lennar model home here, and then this little section is just a cul-de-sac over here. They're still building out over here. You can see all these lots will be available over here. All right, sorry about that. I had to, a client actually was just texting me, so I wanted to respond to that. Oh, that made it worse. It's cold out here too, so I'm trying to play with the windshield. It's currently 48 degrees. It's January 2nd, so I hope everybody had a happy new year, a safe new year. But 48 degrees. I know some of you are laughing, but that is cold here, and it's supposed to get up to in the 60s today. But yeah. So if you're, one of your 2024 goals is to either buy or sell a house, you know, in the Tampa Bay area, reach out. I'd love to help you. Interest rates have come down the last probably 2-3 weeks now. They're starting to come down. They're projected to come down in 2024. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously, you know, everybody has a prediction and nobody really knows what's going on. But I have a feeling they're going to come back down. And if they do, there's a lot of buyers that are on the sidelines that are going to come back into the market. I mean, myself alone, I've had, you know, like 12 of the last year just put things on hold because of interest rates. And they wanted to wait and see, you know, how, you know, things are going to happen, you know, after the first of the year. And being an election year, without getting political, I have a feeling interest rates are going to get better to make the economy look better. All right, so this section right here is the Lennar section, and more than likely, these are going to be where, yeah, Radiant Shore Loop. So this is where the ones that are going to be available are going to be. Let's see, 1137. So I have the addresses of them, but on the ones that are being built, they may not have the address up. So I'm just going to drive through here, just kind of show you the area. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to walk through these because they're under construction, but I will get you the floor plan, and I'll just edit that in as I go over them. You can see over here, we're starting to get into some of the stuff that's under construction. So I'm just going to turn around right here because it looks like it's a little jam-packed up there. But let me, I'll finish. I already told you one of the models that starts at 350 or 340. So they also have, they have two of those Annapolises as of right now. They also have a Harrisburg, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1817 square feet. They have 3 of those at $374,900, $379,900, and $379,900. They have an Atlanta, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 1870 square feet for $388,000, $330,000, $397,000, $580,000. And then they have a Hartford, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1936 square feet for $399,900. So that is the Lennar stuff that's going to have available. So 4 different floor plans there. And now we're going to go over here and drive through the DR Horton, their second phase. Their first phase was all the way back over when we came in the into the community. To the right here, Mirada is building some townhomes. All right, so right here to the left, we'll come in. This is, you can see there, DR Horton. This is gonna be their second phase back here. To the right, that's the Homes by West Bay that I'm gonna end up going over to in a minute. That's a gated section, so right over there, the HOA is a little bit higher. Those are higher price homes. I think my client is around little over $850 over there. And you can get them cheaper, but those, they allow you to build from the ground up and choose, you know, different options, upgrades, different materials, stuff like that. So if you see back here, there's just a ton of land that's being developed. A lot of homes still to go through here. Nice little bridge here. I don't even think that they've opened up the sales office over here yet for the second phase. They might have, and it might be one of these two right here. But over here, DR Horton has 2 floor plans that are under $400,000. One is the Aria, which I know they have it listed as ready now, so it's probably one of those two right there on the right. That is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1672 square feet. Let's just go over here and see. Yeah, there's no addresses. So that's going to be the model home right there, I believe, the way they have it set up. So yeah, the model is not open yet. But 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1672 square feet, currently listed at $367,990. And then they also have a Cali floor plan out here, which I know I've done videos on the Cali floor plan. That's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1828 square feet. They start at $395,965. So as of right now, they have 2 of the Calis that are under $400,000. A couple of them are over $400,000. It's all going to depend on the lot. You know, if it backs the water or if it backs another house, that kind of thing will affect the price. Also, since these are quick move-in inventory homes, they pick all the finishes. So one may have a different upgrade, that kind of thing. And then go back to the Aria. Those are from that $367,990 all the way up to $394,65. All right, so that's the little section here. I still have a little bit of time, so I'll drive through and show you over where the West Bay, Homes by West Bay, and then also the Biscayne. And both of those are going to be, you know, higher end, and both of those you can build out well over $1 million. So it just depends on what you want. And obviously I haven't talked HOA fees, CDD fees, anything like that, because they vary. The CDD fee can vary from builder to builder based on, you know, different lot sizes. Also, the developer, which is Metro Places, they may have taken out a big loan, you know, to get things going, and that affects the CDD, whereas these newer phases, you know, they may or may not have that. So it's hard to say when I'm doing multiple builders, multiple sections. Also, like I mentioned earlier with the West Bay, the HOA fee can also vary from builder to builder, because you may be in a gated section or you may not be in a gated section. So if you're interested in any of these, just reach out. I can get you the information that you're looking for, and the most, you know, up to date as well, since prices change all the time. Actually, yeah, no, we're good there. I saw one back there that said available, but that's not on my sheet of under 400,000. So it's probably more than 400,000, I would think. All right, let's get out of here, and then I will take you through the Biscayne section first, and then we'll go over to the West Bay because I got to meet my client in a couple minutes. And I know this is completely a different type of video, so let me know in the comments below if you like this driving kind of thing. Obviously, I can incorporate that with showing houses as well. So just let me know. I know I haven't done many of these, if ever, but kind of, so it's different. It gives you a little bit of a feel of what's around the area. It's just, I guess I could put music in it, because it's just sitting here talking for, you know, 15 minutes, random stuff, is a little, I don't know, difficult, I guess. So there'll be some silence, but yeah, I mean, this is a nice community. If you like the, you know, the lagoon, all the amenities, stuff like that, the staycation, as they put it, and you know, there's a ton of golf course or golf cart pass, walking pass through here. So a lot of people will have their golf cart and just drive. You know, there's a Publix across. When I turned right to come in, there's a Publix grocery store, little shopping center over there. So a lot of people take their golf cart to get groceries. All right, so right here to the right, Biscayne, as you saw that sign, starting at 600s. You might be able to get a bare bones for 600, but I doubt it. I know my client that ended up going with West Bay, we priced both of these out. And I mean, there's pros and cons of everything, but we just thought the better value was with West Bay, and the timeline was way better with West Bay. But you do have options. Biscayne makes some pretty cool floor plans. But I am going, so if man, there's a lot of trucks. I'll just turn around. But you can see right over there, those are kind of the first section that are being finished. So they're still building out a lot over here too. So while this is not a video for Biscayne or Homes by West Bay, if this is your price point, this is what you're looking at, just reach out. I can get you the most current information for over here. I know Biscayne and Homes by West Bay allow you to put a pool in during construction. So if that's something you're looking for, that's good, because a lot of builders here aren't offering pools as options, and their model right there is pretty cool. Got a pool there. All right, so right across the street right here, this is the West Bay section, and as you see, there is a gate here. Obviously, with construction going on right now, it's still going to be open, but as soon as construction's finished, this will be closed. We'll drive through here. Some of these are completed over here. I know the model home is right here to the right. This one to the left right here with that Lexus, I filmed that one, so there's a video of that, obviously before these people moved in. So, and then the one to the left right there, and then the one to the right. I think all three of those I have filmed that are on my channel. They have all sold since then, but you could go in there and take a look at those. But these are nice. You got all the stone, the tile roofs. I like the fact that you can just build from scratch and make it yours versus the inventory home. All right, well, I'm pulling up on my client's home, so I'm going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Should I do these drive-through videos where I actually still go into the house, but I'm just driving through the community as I'm getting to the house? But until next video, take care.